guys, so overall revision by now. By now you should know what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, what is consolidation. By now you should know what is my overall trend in last 6 months, what is my trend in last 3 months, what is my current trend. So what do we do with current trend? We take the trade accordingly. Either I want to take a trade, or I want to wait, or I want to see whether it breaks consolidation. It's in consolidation, it's an uptrend. Should I get in? Should I not get in? I want to know what's my current state of a stock. So you need to do that practice. So next practice after the previous homework is this. You need to find out from the same stocks you picked, same 10 stocks. I want you to find out what's my current situation. I mean, what would I do if I would be at your place? What would I do? So at current point, let's say I have chosen Apple as an example. I need to find out. I found out that it's in consolidation. What would I do? I'll wait until when? Until it breaks this consolidation, until it breaks this point. And once it breaks it, what would I do? I'll take a trade, and I know I'm gonna make money. So this is one example how you see the current situation. This is one example how you see what do you want to do with the stock. You want to take a trade, when you want to take a trade, when you want to get out. This is how you see it in journal. Okay, so that's the homework thing. So keep in mind, do the homework. Don't go for the next chapter before even doing homework. There is no sense of going over there.